Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to go from zero to earning $10,000 per month consistently in the form of crypto. I started a brand new campaign, so to speak, this last month, and we are already at $2,455 for the month paid out in Bitcoin. You guys can see the payments right here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate this exact process and then of course scale it to $10,000 per month. So you guys are seeing me progress step by step, click by click from 0 to 10K per month. And you guys get to copy this whole entire process as I do it. So make sure that you follow the instructions within this video to the T, and you could start potentially, getting the same exact results. Now, by doing this, understand that this is not financial advice. Do not construe this as financial advice. I'm just a guy on YouTube showing you guys my journey on exactly what it is that I'm doing. It's completely up to you to do what you wish with your own crypto, with your own money. The cryptocurrency industry is very volatile, so just understand that and always risk what you can afford to lose. Nonetheless, let's go ahead and let's complete the first step. So what I did is I made a deposit in the amount of $605 into this specific program known as CoinMarketBull. Now, what CoinMarketBull does is they trade on the Binance futures, and they pay out between 1.2% to 1.8% daily on your deposit. After 8 months, you can actually take out this initial deposit. Okay, so what you'll do to make your first deposit, of course, is click the first link in the description below. Go ahead, join CoinMarketBull. You'll come to this back office. Then you want to go ahead and go to deposit over here. Then you're going to click on new deposit. And then you're going to select your amount right here. So if it's $600, you'll put $600 here, $700, $1,000, et cetera, whatever it is, you're going to enter that in here. And then you're going to select your payment in the form of crypto. Then you're going to click the deposit button. When you click the deposit button, you're going to come over to this page right here. Now you can pay with these different cryptos here. You can pay with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, or Tether. You can also pay with Coinbase right here. What I decided to do is just simply pay with Tether. And it looks like there's also USD coin available on the Polygon network. So to make this simple, just select Tether. This will be on the Ethereum network, of course. Looks like it opened up a new page, which it will do, but you could just go ahead and exit out of this. And then we can jump back over to where we were at before. And then what you'll do is you'll copy the USDT address. This will be the send to address in your MetaMask. And then you have the exact amount right here. You'll copy that over to your MetaMask and you'll go ahead and you will send the funds over to this given wallet right here. After you do that, this page will refresh in a few minutes. Once it refreshes in a few minutes and it shows that it's complete, you'll simply jump back over to CMB. Once you're back in CMB, you can actually go back over to deposit and you can click on new deposit and it will show your pending deposits right here below. And then once that's complete, it will be added to your deposit list and you will see your deposit right here. Once you do that, you can go back to dashboard and you will be able to see your deposit right here, your total deposit that will start earning between 1.2% to 1.8% daily that can be withdrawn daily. Let me show you a few other points on CoinMarketBull before you go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull up the presentation here. You guys could do the same thing if you wish. And once we do that, I want to show you something towards the bottom right here. Now there's two ways that you can earn with CMB. Again, you can earn through your simple deposits right here. Again, you'll earn 1.2 to 1.8%. And you will also earn by building a team. I'm actually going to show you exactly how to build a team in my mastermind known as the DeFi guys. There's going to be step 2 below. There's going to be a link where you can test out the mastermind for free. And you're essentially going to be able to copy all of my marketing assets that I've used up to this point to generate well over $2,000 in the form of crypto and Bitcoin leveraging CoinMarketBull. So that's super, super powerful. You'll also get some added extra benefits with the DeFi Guys Mastermind as well. So check that out as link number 2 below in the description. Now you could read more about this. You can check this out yourself. But what I want to do is I want to go ahead and scroll to the bottom. And I want to show you guys just a sort of summary of how this works. So again, every day, the bot will produce 1.2% to 1.8% daily, 7 days a week. You can withdraw your profit daily. You can withdraw your commissions daily, minimum of $20 daily withdrawal amount. The fee to withdraw is 5%, 24-hour withdrawal payout. They are also working right now to do automatic payouts. They're setting up specific software that will allow us to do that so we don't have to wait quite as long. You can withdraw your bot profit every day, and you can withdraw your initial capital after 8 months, just like I explained. There's also 24/7 live support. So 2 steps. Step 1, get involved with CMB. Make your deposit. One of the things that you're going to notice is you can see my network earnings right here. You can see my total withdrawal right here. A lot of these earnings came from the affiliate side, referring this to other people. And that's why it's so important to join the mastermind below, so you too can copy the same assets that I've used to generate this income right here. So you can earn from the affiliate side, mitigate your risk, as well as earn from the passive side, the 1.2 to 1.8% per day. Okay, so go ahead, complete the steps below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Now, make sure that to be a part of this consistent case study series where you guys are able to copy me every step of the way with these different projects, you want to make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and you want to make sure that you tick the bell icon. There's also going to be a playlist added, and you can check that playlist at any point in time that you want to. The playlist will be 0 to 10K crypto playlist. So anytime you come to this channel, you can go to the playlist section and you can go ahead and check that out. It will also be listed in the description below. But to ensure that you receive every video when it releases, so you can follow along with me and go from $0 to $10,000 per month and copy my every move, make sure that you subscribe and tick the bell icon as long as you understand the risks. Of course, nothing in life is guaranteed. Nothing in crypto is guaranteed. It's all risk reward, but we're showing you guys exactly what I'm doing day by day and week by week for me to go from $0 to $10,000 per month in the world of crypto. I've done this before and I am doing it again. So if you want to go ahead and copy me, go ahead, complete the steps below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.